What's going on, you guys? It's Randy with Full Throttle Obsessions. Today I'm going to be showing you some of the aftermath of this weekend. We got a little rain, so things are really wet and muddy, and plus we're going to go on the inside of one of the units here, and I'll show you how we get some of the water out. We'll go ahead and flip the camera around here. We'll show you the first one, our Animal Kingdom. This thing got pretty muddy. It was set up in the dirt. We had a tarp down, but when the bouncer deflated, it kind of went in the dirt. Show you guys the inside. Whoa, I got some dirt falling on me. I'm gonna show you, it's pretty dirty in there. See, the slides are really dirty. We're gonna go ahead and foam cannon these. They're just a little too dirty for a wipe down. See all the mud on the entranceway on our Crayon Kingdom, Crayon Castle. See all the mud in there. This is the one we're going to be going inside because we do got a lot of water, and particularly sitting in this corner here, so we're going to go inside and get the water out of it. You can see our tropical helix. This one was on concrete, so it wasn't so dirty, but the wind was blowing kind of hard this weekend, so we got a lot of some dirt and some leaves in here. We tried to get most of the leaves out as much as we could before we rolled it, so it didn't stain the vinyl. Oh yeah, that yellow's gonna be fun to clean. Let's roll out over here because we got the generator going. I got two generators going actually. So we're gonna be going inside this bouncer right here, and we got a Ryobi 18-volt cordless shop vac. We're gonna go in there. We're gonna suck up all the water, get it as dry as we can. We got a fresh battery in it, so it don't die on us when we're inside the bouncer. If you guys want some specs on the Ryobi shop vac, we'll go ahead and put a link down in the description below. Let's go ahead and do it. As you can see, it's really dirty in here. We got some water right there, right where we came in, towards the back. So we're gonna go ahead and get the shop vac turned on and get it cleaned up. All right, now here's the main spot I was talking about. You can see all that water right there. We're gonna go ahead and suck it out with the shop vac. No problem. For the Ryobi cordless shop vac, we're gonna go on that side now, and I'm gonna finish this up. It's kind of hard to film in here because it's really tight, but of course I'm gonna finish vacuuming the rest of this up. There was some still stuck in the hose. You see a foamer right there, so I can get this all dry. All right, we went ahead and got all the water out of the inside of the Crayon Castle. I have to tell you, this thing is a must-have if you're doing bouncers or just have around the house. I really like it, especially because it doesn't have a cord. It runs off a Ryobi Plus 1 battery, or 1 Plus battery. If you guys are curious about the Ryobi shop vac, I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description below where you guys can check it out. But alright, you guys, I hope you liked the video. I got to repeat that process on a few more units here. But as always, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.